Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite a co-editor or friend or contact of yours to work with you on your app project on Retool. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your app project in the app builder or editor on Retool, and here in the editor you will find the share button in the top right. Click into it, and there are three ways how you can invite someone to your app project. Option number one, you use that shareable link here to invite the given user. Click into it to copy it to a clipboard, and after that send the given invitation link to the given user so that he or she may access the app project through their own Retool account. Option number two, you use the embed code here. For example, if you would like to, embed the app, on a website or somewhere. And option number three, you may send also email invitations here by clicking into this field, by entering the recipient's email address here, and by sending the invitation. After that, wait for the invitation to be either declined or to be accepted, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.